Nifty has turned 29, and what a day it has been, because the market's definitely looking that great. Nifty Bank scaling above that 55,900 mark as well in the spot levels. Other than that, now eyeing 56,000 as well. But take a look at the IT pack, and specifically HCL Tech. That stock is leading it from the front after a good management commentary, rather, with an inline set of numbers. A 6% jump coming in on HCL Tech, but taking cues from that, even Tech M is the top gainer in the Nifty 50 pack. Add to that list is Infosys, Wipro. These stocks are holding up quite sharply, and other than that, from the metal pack, it's Hindalco and Tata Steel still making a bit of a comeback. Tata Motors is another such stock which is doing pretty well. Remember that we had the earnings and the commentary coming in from Tesla, so maybe a bit of a cues from there. A 1% jump on Tata Motors. But on the flip side, it's Bajaj Auto, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Cipla. These are down a bit under trade. But the breadth of the market is looking very cheerful right now on the NSE. It's more than 1,700 stocks that are seen to be advancing versus 300 stocks that are on the declining side. But let's also watch out for some of the earnings candidate. Let's pull up the chart of Havells, because on the back of a good set but rather not a great commentary, Havells in the trades down about 3.5%. But on the flip side, let's also watch out for KEI Industries, because the management commentary on the cables and wires segment was very good. KEI is up around 2.5%. Tata Communications, mixed set of earnings, weak margins, but exceptional item did boost BAT. The profit of the company holding up to the gains of over 1%. But within financials, M&M Finance and EU Small Finance Bank were some of the other earnings candidates. M&M Finance was a big miss, but not a great reaction on the stock, almost flat. But EU Small Finance Bank, as the management has hinted for a better FY26 and sticks to that FY27 guidance, the stock is holding on to the gains of almost 2.5%. But Snehi, the breadth of the market looks very cheerful, and even India Wix is not giving us some shocks, is holding up to the gains of almost 2%. So believe that the volatility is not that much.
Absolutely, looking good. And from the broader end of the market as well, Tata Communications, mixed set of numbers coming in. Let's see how that stock is reacting right now as we speak. You also have Vari Energies, very good set of numbers coming in. We'll be interacting with the management as well. Tata Com almost up 1%. Vari Energy seems to be doing well. A 5.5% uptick almost coming in on that one. You have Huhtamaki India, Delta Corp, both of these were in focus as well. Shifting focus away from earnings, Bharti Airtel is a stock to watch out for, because the company, along with its subsidiary Bharti Hexacom, are acquiring rights to use 400 megahertz of spectrum from Adani Data. So Bharti Airtel looking good, and Hexacom is also at its life highs right now. So Bharti Hexacom also good moves coming in, roughly 2.5% higher is where that stock is right now. Bharat Forge in focus. CC has approved the acquisition of 100% equity shareholding of AAM India. So that is a stock that's one to watch out for. You have Ashoka Buildcon on the back of an auto win worth 568.8 crores coming in from the Central Railway. So we're expecting some good moves there as well. Almost a 4% uptick coming in on that front as well. Varun Beverages has commenced commercial production of a new soft drink facility in Uttar Pradesh. So positive news coming in, and 1% uptick is what we're seeing on that stock as well. And also, lastly, let's also watch out for Ambuja Cements. The company has completed the acquisition of a 46.6% stake in Orient Cements. Ambuja Cement looking rather flat. Let's pull up an Orient Cements and see what that stock is up to, because Ambuja Cements, on the back of this news flow, is not doing all that much. It's barely holding on to the green. Let's move on and talk about some other gainers in today's trading session, like Shrishti mentioned. Other than those names, you have names like Fact, SRF from the fertilizer pack that are doing pretty well in today's trading session. Chola Investment is also holding up pretty firmly, a 3% uptick coming in. Persistent, Birla, Coforge, all of these stocks are looking rather good right now. And Infosys also clinging on to some gains coming in from the IT pack, a 2.5% uptick coming in on that stock as well. Overall, it seems like we're headed for a good day, because a 0.6% uptick is what we are seeing on the Nifty as well.